Just wanted to take a second to go over the Google Analytics that we've installed here in the WordPress dashboard. You may notice that WordPress looks a little different here in the dashboard. The sidebar is a different color, and you're going to notice things are or maybe configured a little differently. Really, nothing has significant has changed except that now the WordPress administrative interface is completely responsive and is now optimized for touchscreen devices such as tablets and mobile phones and touch-enabled PCs. So that's the only difference. Otherwise, you're going to see as you go through these, all of the menu items are the same and stuff. The admin interface just looks and feels a little different, is all it is. Here in the Google Analytics dashboard, as we scroll down, you'll see you get a bunch of concise information. You get a quick graph here showing you the different people, the amount of different visits that you've had to your site on a daily basis. As we scroll down, it shows you where those visits came by country. You can just hover over and it will give you some quick, concise information on that. And then you can scroll down a little bit more. You get some overview of your traffic sources, which are referrals, which come from other websites. These are direct. These means that people went in and then typed in dubboxusa.com into the address bar and went directly to your site. And over here, these are links that came from organic search results, such as Google and Yahoo and Bing. Over here you see a breakdown of returning versus new visitors. And these are people that have the IP address has visited your site before, and these are people where the IP address has not visited your site before. Now, a lot of people have dynamic IP addresses, such as if you use Comcast and you have a regular home internet service, then you're going to have a dynamic IP address. And if that IP address changes, which it generally doesn't change that often, but when it does, and if they come and visit your site after that, they're going to show up as a new visitor. They're not going to show up as a returning visitor. So basically what this is saying is 80.4% of the people that visited the site have visited from an IP address that has not visited it before. 19.6% of the people that visited the site have visited it from an IP address that had visited at least one time before, is what that's referring to. Top pages, these are the most popular pages on the site and how many visits they got. Refers, once again, that's up here reflected in this yellowish orange right up here. And these are sites where people clicked on links and came directly to your site from them. And then down here are top searches, and that here is going to be it shows as organic up here. These are organic search results. Like I said, these are from Google, Yahoo, Bing, Ask.com. And it's going to kind of show you, one, how many people search for this. And when they searched for this and came to your site, what they did is they made this search, got search results, and then clicked on a link and came to your site. And what this does is tell you what it was that they searched for and how many people came to your site from that search is what it is. So pretty direct and to the point, very easy to use, very concise overview. It pulls this information down from Google. I think every hour or every 2 hours it refreshes this information. One thing that you will want to avoid right up here says real time right here. You do not want to press that, just to let you know. The Google Analytics dashboard plugin, it seems to work fairly well in all other aspects, but this real-time aspect has caused, it depends on the type of configuration that your web host has. Sometimes it will lock up the system, so I do not advise anybody using this. We would have removed it, but unfortunately to do that it could have possibly broken the plugin, so we didn't want to do that. So just remember to just kind of avoid clicking the real time. The real time. I just usually leave this here at the last 30 days to give you a nice quick overview of what's going on in the last 30 days of your site. So if you have any questions or anything, just let us know.